everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Instagram nickname option not showing on your Instagram app. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are also not seeing your nickname on your Instagram, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do, you have to open the Play Store, then search for Instagram. If there is any pending update for your Instagram, just update it from here. After updating, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, open your Instagram app. Just tap on the profile icon from below bottom. After that, from right side corner, you will see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on that. Scroll down. Here you will find help option. Tap on the help. Then tap on the first option, report a problem. By default, this option will be enabled. What you have to do, just disable this option and tap on report a problem. Then tap on include and continue. Here what you have to type, hi Instagram team, nickname option not showing in my Instagram page. So please fix this issue as soon as possible. After typing this, just tap on send button and you have to wait for some time, at least 10 to 12 hours. After that, again you have to update your Instagram app. After that, your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Instagram nickname option not showing. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.